Let's see what are orphan drugs. Orphan drugs are pharmaceutical agents which are used to treat, prevent, or diagnose a rare condition or a rare disease. So according to WHO, rare conditions or rare diseases are those which occur with a frequency of less than 6 to 10 patients per 10,000 population. Okay? But in the United States, the definition is different. Those diseases which affect less than 2 lakh population worldwide, they are considered to be orphan drugs according to USA. The problem with orphan drugs is that pharmaceutical companies are spending around $1 billion to bring a new molecule or the drug to the market. So in the research or development of a new drug, on an average, $1 to $2 billion is spent. Okay, $1 to $2 billion is spent. So the pharmaceutical companies are unable to recover the cost spent in the development by selling these drugs. So that's the reason why most of the pharmaceutical companies are reluctant to develop drug for rare conditions. Okay, so let's see some examples. We have ivacaftor, which is approved for the treatment of cystic fibrosis. So this is one example of orphan drug. We have one more example called eculizumab, which is approved for the treatment of PNH, that is paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria. Okay, so these are the examples of orphan drugs. So the company which is spending $1 billion is unable to recover from the marketing of that orphan drugs. That's the reason they are reluctant to produce orphan drugs for the rare conditions. So let's take some MCQs. So the first question is, what is an orphan drug? So the first option is a drug that has been abandoned by its manufacturer? No. So the second option is a medication used to treat a rare disease. Okay, so this is the right answer. So the next question is, which of the following is an example of a common drug that is also considered as orphan drug for a specific rare conditions? So we know penicillin, it is widely used for different infections, so this cannot be an example of orphan drug. Paracetamol, we know it is widely used as analgesic and antibiotic, so it is not an orphan drug. Aspirin, it is again widely used for various cardiovascular disorders. So we are left with the last option called ibuprofen. Ibuprofen, as such, it is not an orphan drug because it is also NSAID and it is used for a variety of conditions. But when it is used for treating patent ductus arteriosus, then it is considered as orphan drug. Okay, so that's it.